Hello and welcome to this educational video on cellular respiration. In this video, we will explore what cellular respiration is, why it's important, and how it occurs in cells. Cellular respiration is a complex biochemical process that occurs in cells to generate energy from glucose and other organic compounds. It is the process by which cells break down glucose molecules to produce energy in the form of ATP, adenosine triphosphate. Cellular respiration is essential for the survival of all living organisms. It allows cells to generate the energy they need to carry out their functions, including growth, movement, and reproduction. Without cellular respiration, cells would not be able to produce ATP, and the body would not have the energy it needs to carry out its functions. Cellular respiration occurs in three main stages: glycolysis, the citric acid cycle, also known as the Krebs cycle, and oxidative phosphorylation, also known as the electron transport chain. 1. Glycolysis is the first stage of cellular respiration, and it takes place in the cytoplasm of the cell. During glycolysis, a molecule of glucose is broken down into two molecules of pyruvate. This process also generates a small amount of ATP and NADH, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide. 2. The citric acid cycle takes place in the mitochondria of the cell. During this stage, pyruvate is broken down further, and its energy is used to produce more ATP, NADH, and FADH2, flavin adenine dinucleotide. 3. Oxidative phosphorylation takes place in the mitochondria of the cell. During this stage, the electrons carried by NADH and FADH2 are passed through a series of electron carriers, which generate a proton gradient across the inner membrane of the mitochondria. This gradient is then used to generate ATP through a process called chemiosmosis. In conclusion, cellular respiration is a vital process that allows cells to generate the energy they need to carry out their functions. It occurs in three main stages: glycolysis, the citric acid cycle, and oxidative phosphorylation. By understanding how cellular respiration works, we can better appreciate the importance of this process in the functioning of living organisms. Thank you for watching this educational video on cellular respiration.